Founded in 2015 by Divya Lal, FlipLearn is an online subscription-based teaching and learning platform with curated content from world-class players for the Indian K-12 landscape. The app was started with a vision to empower every school to go online seamlessly and provide access to quality education to all. The app offers an array of features, personalized learning solutions for schools and students, and has been designed to supplement a child's learning with the help of fun and interactive digital content that has been mapped to all education boards in India. Hello and welcome to a new episode of Inspirational Brands Make in India, a series where we put the spotlight on various business verticals that are contributing significantly to the government's Make in India mission. And the first brand that we are featuring on the show today is an e-learning platform that aims to make learning more fun, interactive and engaging for students. And to tell us more about the company, let me welcome the founder and managing director of FlipLearn Education, Divya Lal. Welcome to CNBC TV 18, Divya.
Hi Lata.
Okay, let me start by asking you, Divya, you're a psychology graduate from Delhi University with 2 decades of work experience in the edtech industry. What inspired you to become an entrepreneur?
I think the first credit definitely goes to my family. I come from a family of highly educated professionals, and I think right from childhood we've been told to work extremely hard, be sincere and dream big to make an impact. So I think the first journey always starts at the foundation, and being in the industry for such a long period of time, I think that spark was somewhere inside me that I want to ensure that every child in this country gets access to quality learning. And if you believe in it, technology is really the true enabler. And working in the edtech space, it was always in my heart that one day I want to bring it on my own and create a solution or a product and a program that makes this desire really come to life.
We all know that FlipLearn is an award-winning online subscription-based teaching and learning platform with curated content from K-12 landscape. How do you look back at the whole journey from the time when you started?
Yeah, it's interesting to where we are today. If you look back, we've done many things, We've collected fees online, we've sent books to doorsteps, we've created communication platforms that schools have used to communicate across various stakeholders. And over a period of time, we came to this journey when we said that yes, we wanted to specialize in the learning domain and to create a product that enables learning for any child across the kindergarten to grade 12 piece. It would really need, not only creating an interface that enables ease of use and navigation, but also the quality and the depth to enable a very, very comfortable learning experience for children of varying degrees of understanding. And the big piece that we have always worked on is that we don't want to just reach out to the child, but we believe that teachers are an integral aspect of a child's academic life and the journey. And that is why if we can bring a seamless integration of what's happening inside school to beyond school and create that using our product and programs, it would be a far more meaningful and achieve far better learning objectives for every child.
Right. Now talking about products and solutions, you offer different learning tools to students as well as teachers. And I believe the 2 solutions that you offer, one is FlipLearn Prime and the other is FlipLearn Edge. So can you elaborate on these solutions for us?
Yeah, so let me start with FlipLearn Edge. FlipLearn Edge is our iconic e-learning platform that is today being used by more than 400 schools in the country, which enables schools to bring all their learning stakeholders, teachers, students, parents on and run live classes, use curated content, create homework, administer tests, submit results, map every child's journey. So it's basically like a full-fledged ecosystem that is enabling a school to bring their online game to the foray. And as we move ahead, with the times that we are seeing, what it has become very clear is that Phygital will be a model that will eventually blend out. So FlipLearn Edge is a platform that schools use. FlipLearn Prime, on the other hand, is a personalized learning app journey for a child, created to do in his or her own time beyond school hours. This is a time when you want to go and revise or understand a concept that you did not understand in the first go. And this is a journey that has been created step by step, enabling the child's understanding and ensuring they practice in a safe environment, and they can also push their adrenaline by getting into our gaming setup, which invites them to actually test their skills across children across the country.
Now, the edtech industry has witnessed an unprecedented growth during the pandemic. How is FlipLearn making learning accessible to all students at this point of time?
We at FlipLearn defined and created the FlipLearn Edge platform that ensured that every aspect of the academic journey that a child and a teacher takes inside the school is completely ensured, rather than just running these online movie halls that were happening by just going on a conferencing mode. Learning is not just about just listening to a teacher. You have so many more activities to do. You want to ask a question, you want to get a quick answer, you want to run a homework, you want to give an assignment, you want to do unit tests, you want to do give them some stuff to read and also understand and give feedback. Our system ensured that teachers could do live classes, could create homework and submit it, get it automatic corrected, and also give feedback to various layers and levels of students' performance in those, including the tests that were being done, and a system that could take away the load of correction, not only of subjective, but also not only of objective, but also subjective questions for every child. So this is a comprehensive platform that has helped hundreds of schools across the country. And seeing the surge that we saw, we have now made FlipLearn Edge completely free for any school in India to adopt, to let their children and teachers have their online journey of teaching and learning happily till March 2022.
That's a great initiative. That's a great step, Divya. I must applaud you for that. So how are you integrating technology in your business model at this point in time to deliver quality education?
I think FlipLearn is anyways like an online system, and we have a very, very robust technology team that is working 24/7 in enabling this more than 400,000 learners that are getting onboarded and learning from the piece. We have a very comprehensive system through which we support our learners and also understand the patterns of their learning to help them get better resources and support teachers with all the feedback that is coming our way.
Right. And before I let you go, my final question, tell us about your brand presence and what are your future plans for FlipLearn education in the new normal?
Well, we've been very well recognized. This last year itself, FlipLearn has bagged many awards for its impact in helping children, schools, teachers get connected in the learning piece. I think our game strategy is simple. We don't want to reach out to a child and say, we don't know what's happening in your school, you just study from us. Our strategy is very different. We believe schools are pivotal pieces of creating learning and academic journey for every child in this country. We partner with the schools, help them conduct their teaching and learning process of their schooling hours. And beyond that, then we work with children and give them the personalized learning space where they can do and learn at their own time, at their own wish, at their own level of understanding. So it's a very, very seamless integration of enabling school in the morning uses the same system, and beyond school hours, the child uses the same system to do their own learning and understanding activities.
All right. Thank you so much, Divya, for speaking to CNBC TV 18. We wish you all the best for your future endeavors.